In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill your drawing with color using the fill tool. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can get great results right away. Start by creating a new drawing or opening an existing one, and make sure you're working on either a raster level or a vector level. Raster levels are pixel-based, great for painterly looks, while vector levels are shape-based and stay crisp when scaled. The fill tool works nicely in both, so choose the one that suits your project. Next, look for the palette panel, usually docked on the right side of your workspace. This is where your swatches live. If you don't see it, it may be collapsed or hidden, so check your workspace layout or your panels menu to bring it into view. In the palette, either select an existing color or add a new one. Most apps let you click a plus icon or open a color picker to create a fresh swatch. Naming your colors can help you stay organized, especially with complex drawings. Now, select the fill tool. You'll recognize it by the paint bucket icon in the toolbar. With the fill tool active and your color chosen, click inside any closed area of your drawing to fill it. Closed areas are key here. If there's even a tiny gap in your line work, the color can spill out or fail to fill properly. If that happens, don't worry, undo, zoom in, and check for gaps or adjust the tool settings. If the fill doesn't cover the area correctly, head to the tool options bar. Here, adjust the tolerance. Tolerance tells the tool how similar neighboring pixels need to be to get filled, and how aggressively it can cross narrow gaps. Raise it if color leaves little unfilled halos around the edges, or lower it if the fill is jumping past your outlines. Some apps also offer options like gap closing or anti-aliasing. Use these to tidy edges and prevent leaks without redrawing your lines. Continue filling each section of your artwork, switching colors in the palette as you go. It's perfectly fine to test a color, undo, and try again until it looks right. For crisp results, zoom in around edges, especially when working on fine details. If you're mixing raster and vector elements, keep an eye on how clean those edges look and adjust the settings as needed. Repeat this process with different colors until your drawing looks complete. When you're happy with the result, give it a quick review to catch any tiny areas you might have missed, and you're done.